You are watching Beyond the Myths educational resource for mental health and addictions with Dr. Boat, the show where science meets soul. I am your host, Dr. Boat. Each week, we explore the truths, struggles, and breakthroughs that shape how we heal, grow, and recover. It is time to move beyond stigma, beyond fear, and beyond the myths. A midlife crisis is a period of emotional, psychological, and sometimes behavioral change, typically occurring between ages 40 and 60. It is not a formal mental health diagnosis, but rather a common life stage where individuals reassess their goals, values, and identity in light of aging, mortality, and life accomplishments. A midlife crisis often emerges from a combination of biological, psychological, and situational factors. Hormonal changes such as perimenopause, menopause, and andropause, natural aging processes and physical decline, neurological changes affecting mood regulation. Identity shifts, questioning. Who am I now? Unresolved, regrets or missed opportunities. Existential concerns about meaning and mortality. Career dissatisfaction or plateau. Children leaving home. Empty nest syndrome. Relationship changes such as divorce, infidelity or loss. Financial pressures or retirement concerns. Illness or death of loved ones. Common symptoms. Symptoms vary in intensity and may overlap with depression or anxiety. They can be grouped into emotional, behavioral, and cognitive signs. Emotional symptoms are increased irritability, mood swings, or restlessness, sadness, nostalgia, or longing for youth. Heightened sensitivity to aging and mortality. Behavioral symptoms are impulsive decisions such as quitting jobs, starting affairs, or big purchases. Changes in appearance or lifestyle, seeking new experiences or relationships, avoiding responsibilities. Cognitive symptoms are preoccupation with what could have been, difficulty focusing or making decisions, obsessive comparison to peers or younger generations. While a midlife crisis is often temporary, it can lead to lasting harm if unmanaged. Intervention focuses on emotional processing, healthy coping, and purposeful change. Reflective practices such as journaling, mindfulness or meditation, goal reassessment setting, new meaningful, short and long-term goals, physical health exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep. Social engagement, strengthening relationships, joining supportive communities. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) to challenge negative thought patterns and restructure beliefs about self-worth, age, and purpose. Existential therapy to explore meaning, values, and personal fulfillment. Narrative therapy to reframe life stories and integrate past experiences positively. Couples or family therapy if relationship strain is present. Medical evaluation for hormonal or mood-related changes. Psychiatric treatment if symptoms overlap with depression or anxiety. Possible medication for mood stabilization or hormonal support under medical supervision. Prayer, scripture study, or engagement in faith communities. Spiritual counseling for meaning and guidance. A midlife crisis can be a turning point, either leading to impulsive, destabilizing changes or serving as a catalyst for personal growth, deeper self-awareness, and renewed purpose. Early recognition, open communication, and supportive interventions greatly increase the likelihood of a positive outcome. Thank you for watching Beyond the Myth, your educational resource for mental health and addictions. Keep learning, keep healing, and keep going. Beyond the Myth. Find tools and educational resources at namearchhealthcpn at drboatauthor.com. check the bookstore, please like, subscribe, and share this video.